Hello, guys. Hi. Grammys is almost over, and I think I'm getting ready to go to sleep now. So, just want to talk about something before I went to sleep. First of all, the Kings of Leon. I'm really glad. I'm sorry, people, but I'm really glad they won. That's been one of my favorite songs the whole year. Really like these guys. You should really look into them. God, did anybody feel ripped off, or was it just me? I thought when they did the Michael Jackson tribute, I thought Michael Jackson was going to be dancing around on stage. I mean, what was the 3D glasses for? I don't get it, you know? And then Mary, exquisite. She was so good. And in fact, they teamed her up with Andre Bocelli. Was totally great. It was like a marriage of my favorite music, opera and R&B soul. It was totally great. Bon Jovi, oh, I wish they would really hang up their shoes and just stop it already. I haven't really liked anything they've done since their first album that they did, Slipping When Wet. I love that album. You know, Living on a Prayer and all that stuff. But it's like now, it's like my freaking uncle coming out singing at, Christmas every year. He wanted to sit the hell down. Just sit down. I'm not interested in your music anymore. Oh, forget it. Okay. So, also I gotta tell you guys, I'm gonna have my foot surgery Tuesday. This is gonna be a trip. I will not be able to walk or drive. Well, actually, not be able to walk. I'll be limping around on crutches. But I won't be able to drive a car for 2 weeks. I'm going to go freaking bananas. That's crazy. Okay? And then I'm not going to be able to really, they say 2 weeks. I don't believe. I believe he's just seeing it because all the other doctors said 6 weeks. Okay? I think he's just trying to make me feel good. So, but I'm going to figure out a way to drive with that big shoe. I don't care. But, so, I'm going to be talking to you a lot these couple of weeks because I can't go anywhere and I'm going to be frustrated. And I want you guys to give me some feedback, okay? Just say something back to me. Talk to me. I'm going to be stuck in the house. So it's going to really stink. I just hope I don't get fat. I tried to, put everything in my house that's good for me. So, after I have the surgery, Tuesday morning, Chris is going to bring me back here, but then he has to go and see patients afterwards. I don't know how that's going to work, but that's okay. I want him to, because all I want to do is give me my pain medication and just let me go to sleep. That's it. I'll be good. Okay? So, but I'll be having my crutches, you'll see, and I'll be coming in here talking to you guys every day. Keep me from eating a lot. And I bought some books. I bought those really squishy love novels and stuff. I should read when I was 16 years old. I still up underneath my sister Gail's bed and read them, So, but I'll be talking to you soon. I don't know. There's nobody else in my grams I really want to see. You got Maxwell. After I found out that he was a short little shit, his music's good, but I don't know. I always thought Maxwell was tall. Is it just me? I swear to God, I thought Maxwell was like 6'2", 6'3". And when I saw him in person, he's like nipple high. Go figure. What happened? I don't know. Everybody's short. Well, not everybody's short. Denzel's not short, and Hugh Jackman's not short, so thank God. But I just thought that Maxwell was so tall. Okay? Not saying there's anything wrong with you guys that are below 5'7", but, it's just, I don't know, kind of a letdown. When you think somebody's tall all your life, all the time you know, not all your life, all the time you've known them, and then you see him, it's like, oh my God, that's crazy. I'm a big girl. I'm 5'9". Wow. Okay, guys. Talk to you later. Talk to you tomorrow, man. No, not tomorrow. Talk to you as soon as I can. Love you. Bye.